What I would want to tell you is this. The government of the Republic of South Sudan is in full control. Yes, there are isolated cases where Dr. Riek Machar has instigated some of our generals, like what happened in Bantu and what happened in Bor. It doesn't mean that Dr. Riek has taken over a greater part of the Republic of South Sudan. No, the Republic of South Sudan is under the full sovereignty of a democratically elected government by the people of South Sudan. And Salva Kiir Mayardit is the president, and he's the one who appoints who are governors and who are ministers in this country.